Hi everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download documents in the BoldSign API in Postman. If you're new to the BoldSign API, please check out our video links in the description. BoldSign allows you to download documents in progress, completed, declined, expired, or revoked states. Documents can be downloaded by signers, senders, and CC recipients. First, I'll show you how to download the signed document. I start by selecting the document folder and choosing the download request. This request requires a document ID. I'm going to set the ID of the completed document that I want to download. To obtain the document ID, I navigate to the Document List API and filter the documents based on the completed state and sender details. Before sending the request, ensure that the API key is set for authentication and then send the request. The response returns a list of documents based on the specified state and sender details. I copy the ID of this document and set the document ID value in the environment. I go back to the Document Download API and send the request. The response will return the document as a PDF file content. I can download it by selecting the Save Response to File option. Now the file has been downloaded, and I'll open the downloaded PDF file. It displays the same content as the original document. To download the audit log for this document, I will proceed to the Download Audit Trail request under the document folder, which requires a document ID. I'll use the same document ID since I want to retrieve the audit log for the same document. I ensure the API key is set for authentication and send the request. The response returns the audit trail document as a PDF file content, which I can save as a PDF file by selecting the Save Response to File option. I open the downloaded audit trail file, which contains the logs with timestamps. And that's how you can use BoldSign Download API to download documents. Note that documents in the edit mode cannot be downloaded. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.